What's up, guys? Today we are going to learn a little bit about WSL. Why should you use it, and what are the and how you can install WSL. So, what WSL stands for, Windows Subsystem for Linux, and what's WSL? It's basically a Linux environment, so you can run Linux on top of Windows 10. And there are normally two versions, WSL1 and WSL2, and most people use WSL2 because the latest version. Good news is that it's free to use and it's an optional feature of Windows 10. And why should you use WSL? Because it lets you run a Linux environment including command line tools. And basically, if you like command line rather than GUI, like normally what we use on Windows, I think you will like using WSL. And how do you install? Normally you just go to Microsoft app to install Ubuntu and Windows Terminal. And once you have installed these two applications, you just open PowerShell or command prompt in administrator mode and run this command wsl.exe install. Once it's completed, you just kind of reboot your computer, set up with the username and password. And if you have the older version of Windows, you have to run few more commands. You have to enable WSL. You can run this command to enable WSL, and you have to also enable the virtual machine platform. If the Windows 10 version in 903, 909, you should also optional feature online, and you have to run this command as well. If you are running WSL1, you can set the default version to, and that's the main these are the kind of main steps you can use to install WSL. And I will give you guys the demo too, what it kind of looks like on the command prompt. So once you have installed WSL, that's what the kind of Windows terminal looks like. So if I go LL, so you can see I have set up the projects here and AWS.SSH and for Docker, and I've installed these extra kind of tools on WSL, and I will show you guys the settings too. So for the settings, if I go to Ubuntu, so this is so I have turned off these two, so hide profile, and the starting directory, as you can see, is the Ubuntu /home/ and my username. And yeah, I guess this is the main thing. Before if it does the other command, a command shows, you can delete the profile, but this is the kind of default I got at the moment. And yeah, if once it's all done, you guys can take the advantage using Linux environment on top of Windows. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.